The number of coins that have high potential are very low. The high competition in the market makes things a lot more difficult for the new coins. Even then, certain cryptocurrencies like that of Shiba Inu have been on top performance. Stay tuned to find out more about what's happening with this coin in recent times. Hi Shiba lovers, welcome to Shiba Inu Coin, your daily dose of Shiba. If you're interested in everything around Shiba, this is the place for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for us to provide you with more Shiba news, and let us know in the comments how much you think Shiba will cost next week. In today's video, we'll be speaking about the Shiba Inu coin. We'll look at the current happenings in the coin, and we'll also be looking deeper into the prices that we can expect out of it by the end of 2025. Also, before getting into the topic today, allow us to mention that this video is not meant to be financial advice. Any information being shared here is only for educational and entertainment purposes. We request our viewers to conduct their own due diligence before making any decisions about their portfolio. It will be recommendable to seek advice from your financial advisor to make sure that the step you take is one towards your growth. Having said that, let us now get into today's video. This coin, being called the Dogecoin Killer, has been able to stay up in the market despite the fact that it couldn't even get listed in Coinbase. Even though it's been trying to get through it just like Dogecoin, the story for this coin has been much different.
It's okay, I didn't expect you to know that on the first day.
Even though the entire market has been going through a dip in prices, the coin did not fade away. As a matter of fact, they claim that the coin may rise up to the mark of $1 in the future.
Awesome.
The coin could make sure that it stays much more stable than the other coins that took a massive dip, including Bitcoin. Even though this happened, we did not see a huge number of people getting into the coin to make more profits. This means that the potential it had back then was not used up to its capabilities. This means that in case things would have gone that way, there would have been high chances for the coin to be able to reach a FOMO level that would have initiated a massive buying streak by the investors, thereby increasing the price of the cryptocurrency by a huge margin. The entire point that this coin, perhaps even its biggest rival Dogecoin, relies on is the investment that people make through the hype created on social media. The best example and proof of this statement would be the hype created for Dogecoin by Elon Musk.
Elon Musk.
Elon Musk?
Yeah.
Tesla Elon Musk?
Each of his tweets has been taking the price all the way up by over 30%. A similar case is noticed even with Shiba Inu coin, as the investors flow into the coin through the very idea that this coin will kill Dogecoin in the long run.
Professional killer.
Many even claim this coin to be the much more serious and much more intended version of Dogecoin, unlike the Dogecoin that was just made for making fun of cryptocurrencies. This element makes a lot of investors believe that there is a very high potential in the coin, and we could be able to see some high returns through the same. The major reason why the coin rises in value is because of the community that invests in it, and it, in fact, is so specific in this case that a slight drop in this factor could be detrimental to the coin. This was the view presented by David Xiao, the CEO of crypto magazine Block Journal. As we mentioned earlier, there are high chances that we would not be able to buy Shiba Inu as easily as Dogecoins being bought. Accessibility is one of the major aspects that needs to be improved. On the positive side, the community has started working on the same already, and the people have been able to work on the same for a considerable period of time.
Understood, sir. We are working on it.
This was the major reason why the petition on change.org was initiated by one of the members named Caleb Schreiker. He says that it's very important for the Shiba Inu coin to be listed in Coinbase, because that will become one of the major reasons for the coin to be able to provide its investors a higher profit and more returns. Moreover, the huge number of users on Coinbase give Shiba Inu a higher opportunity to keep expanding. As we mentioned earlier, the major strength of Shiba Inu is the community. The prices are entirely driven by them, therefore this will certainly be a major step for them to increase in price. Furthermore, in recent times, we also did see another petition demanding the listing of Shiba Inu in Robinhood. As noticed clearly, the demand for this coin is increasing day by day, which makes it a good competition against Dogecoin, which itself has been on a downtrend in recent days. The prices are as low as 29 cents.
It's too low.
And are continuing to be in the reds of 2.19%. This is indicative of the fact that we may be able to see Dogecoin being surpassed by Shiba Inu, considering the fast pace and increasing community strength. The demand to list Shiba Inu in Robinhood was put forth by Tristan Luke addressing Robinhood, and says that this step is very essential. He says that most of the questions that they receive from potential investors are, where do you invest in Shiba Inu? The accessibility is a major concern and will also be a major catalyst that could push the prices to a whole new level by the time we see 2025. Being one of the potential coins, there are high chances that the growth will be much more stable than that of Dogecoin, which notices price hikes of more than 30% through a single tweet of Elon Musk. This characteristic is deadly to not only the cryptocurrency but also to the investors who invest in such a coin. This has not been the case with the Shiba Inu ever since it was first seen in the market. Now, will this coin hit the $1 mark? The answer to this question may seem similar to that of the answers others have been giving for Dogecoin when the topic is when Dogecoin will hit the $1 mark. Let us see how much the Shiba Inu will need to raise in price to touch the $1 mark.
Let's see what we got.
Given the current price on June 19, 2021 at $0.0000781, it will have to grow over 12 million% to hit the $1 mark. Hearing this, a lot of investors may just presume that this is not possible.
This is not possible.
However, looking at the historical data present, we can see that the coin has already grown by 2 million% each month, starting from January 2021. Combining both of these numbers, do you now think that Shiba Inu has the potential to touch the $1 mark in the coming future?
What do you think?
Well, we think the answer is a yes to that. And perhaps this could be the point at which Shiba Inu could be in 2025. To analyze further about the price that we would be at in 2025, let us start to have a yearly analysis till 2025. In 2021, there are high chances that we may be able to see the value to have been increased by at least a decimal. By that we mean that the prices could then touch $0.000018 by the end of 2021 or the start of 2022. The progress from that point will probably be much slower, as the integration into Coinbase and Robinhood would have already been accomplished, and the hype created right then would have already raised the price to the levels we just discussed. Continuing this trend will mean that we'll be able to see the prices rise by over around 600% by the time we enter into 2025. This prediction is based on the assumption that by the end of 2021 or the start of 2022, we'll be able to trade Shiba Inu on Robinhood and Coinbase. As we mentioned earlier, this will be the biggest catalyst for Shiba Inu. Community strength will help in uplifting the potential and will also increase the overall stability of the coin. The establishment of the Shiba Inu coin on Coinbase and Robinhood will be a multi-beneficiary deal for the coin and its investors.
I think it was very beneficial, very beneficial.
The prices have been showcasing a descending triangle in the 30-minute chart on 17th June 2021, which consolidated just over the $0.0000706 mark. After a short spike to touch the $0.0000744, the coin started heading back down to take support of the last point, at which it bounced back up. Since that point, the prices have been forming a higher high pattern all the way till June 19, 2021, to hover at the $0.0000781 mark as of June 19, 2021. If everything goes well, there are high chances of the prices to bounce back up at the $0.0000078 mark, as it's bounced twice before on June 17, 2021. There seems to be a support level that may hold the current higher high trend. However, in case we fall through this mark, the prices may go down to the next possible support at $0.0000747, which was also a resistance once on June 18, 2021. Let us know in the comments below when you think Shiba will hit $1, and make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time at Shiba Inu Coin.